Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Save Data Backup on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, simply you can either click on the game you want to download the save data from. Just click on it, then click on Options. Now you'll go to Save Data Cloud. You can click on it. And now if it's not synced with your system, because in my case it is synced and it has the same exact data on both, but if it doesn't, then you'll have a button to download save data, and you can do that basically. But you can also go to the settings, then data management, and you'll find Save Data Cloud. Select the account you want to use, and you'll be able not only to click on the backup here, but also go to the settings and enable or disable automatic save data download. And if that's disabled, then you'll need to do that manually, but if it's enabled, then it'll always try to get synced with your cloud, of course. So like the Switch will sync with the cloud all the time, and you'll have the most recent data. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.